Back with another video, and today we are going to be doing the Dollar Tree Slime Challenge. So I've seen people do this around YouTube, so I said, why not I try it out? So today I actually got from Dollar Tree is this mixing utensil. It comes right off. This bowl from Dollar Tree. It's usually for cooking and stuff. This white glue. I got it a long time ago. These, I think, were $1. So, don't say I'm not cheating, because I didn't see any paint there that would, because every time I add paint, it just makes my slime hard. This activator. This shaving cream that I got from Dollar Tree. Well, before I begin this, before I get started, why don't you guys subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So, let's get started. I got these glasses, by the way, so I can protect my eyes. And it's reading glasses, like these. But let's get started. So right now, I am going to add the glue. I should have opened this before. Okay. Just gonna try to get all of this out. Well, I'll see you guys when I'm done pouring this glue out. Okay guys, I poured the glue and look, it's so far. So now I am going to be adding my shaving cream. A little at a time. I'm actually making fluffy slime. Now, time to add my paint, which is food coloring. But I am gonna, comment down below what color I should use. I'm actually feeling a blue. Gonna add 2 drops. Actually, I might add 4. This is actually turning really pretty, guys. Now activator time. I'll see you guys when I'm done mixing. I am done mixing, and look at this, guys. Let me put you guys down so I can show you more. This is so stretchy. I didn't know it would turn out like this. It's a nice pretty sky blue. And if you guys are wondering, I have a whole slime collection. I have 37 slimes. And guess what? You guys can buy them. One's for $5, one's for $1, and one is for $3. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notifications, and like this video. And like when I said hit the notifications, that means hit it so you are notified every time I make a new video. Bye guys, love you.